Air Force simply calls Stealth++. But stealth isn't just radar. To be truly invisible, a jet has to manage 3 major signatures: radar reflection, infrared heat, and electronic emissions. Radar stealth comes from shaping, like carefully angled mirrors that deflect radar beams away, and from materials that soak up energy. That's why modern stealth jets have sharp edges aligned at specific angles, serpentine inlets that hide the engine fan, and internal weapon bays instead of external pylons. Infrared stealth is harder. Even if radar can't see you, the heat of your exhaust and skin can. Sensors detect this glow easily. And then there's emissions control. A fighter broadcasting on radar gives itself away, so modern stealth jets use low probability of intercept radars and fuse data from many sensors to minimize their own emissions. Here's the paradox. Stealth and speed usually don't go together. Why? Because going faster than Mach 2, that's over 1,500 miles per hour, generates enormous heat. That heat lights up infrared detectors like a flare, undoing all your careful radar stealth. So historically, engineers faced a brutal choice: build for speed or build for stealth. The F47 is America's attempt to solve both. The secret lies in its engines: Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion, or NGAP. These new engines, like Pratt & Whitney's XA103 and GE's XA102, are 3-stream adaptive cycle designs. That means they can literally reconfigure airflow in flight. In high-thrust mode, they act like a turbojet, pouring power into the core for supersonic speed. In cruise mode, they open a third bypass stream, routing cooler air around the core, improving fuel efficiency and cooling the jet at the same time. Think of it as an engine with 3 gears instead of 2. That extra bypass stream works like a built-in heat sink, reducing exhaust temperature, hiding the jet from heat-seeking missiles, and giving it longer legs without guzzling fuel. Industry claims these adaptive engines are up to 25% more fuel efficient than today's F-35 engines.
And more importantly, they provide much better thermal management. That's how the F-47 can chase Mach 2 Plus while still cutting its infrared signature. Not perfectly invisible, but a much harder target to lock onto.